Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can log in to your different ID on Free Fire using your Facebook. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to be required to log out of the account that you're currently logged in on Free Fire. So go ahead, tap on the gear icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to see the logout button on the bottom right. Tap on it and confirm that you want to log out by tapping on log out. This will log you out of Free Fire and you'll see an interface such as this. Now go ahead and log into the Facebook account in the Facebook application that you want to use to log in to Free Fire. So go ahead and tap on Facebook. So if you are currently logged in on a different account, make sure that you are logged out. For that, tap on the three-barred menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and you'll be able to see the logout button. Tap on it and tap on logout to confirm that you want to log out of this account. Once you've done that, tap on the login to another account option that you see below, which will redirect you to the login page on Facebook. Go ahead and enter the mobile number or the email and then the password of the account that you'd like to log in on. After doing so, go ahead and switch back to Free Fire. Now over on this page, you should be able to see the sign in with Facebook button. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you'll easily be logged into the new account that you're trying to log in on using Facebook. And this is how you can log in to your new account using Facebook on Free Fire. And that is it. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.